You don't need skills, experience, or even a big idea to start making money online in this new age of AI. You have probably seen 18-year-olds posting screenshots of how much they made using their digital product businesses, while you are sitting there thinking, how? How is this guy who is clearly not smarter than me, probably even younger than me, is able to make so much money while you are still stuck trying out different things like dropshipping, crypto, or maybe even stocks? And after a point, it gets frustrating because you know it's possible. You just haven't been able to crack it yet. The problem is simple. Nobody ever showed you a clear way to do it. The YouTube videos you watched don't tell you the full story. They always leave something out. Right now, people with no experience are making 40, 50 and even 60,000 per week selling simple digital products they built using AI. And honestly, it is not that hard. They just know what to sell, how to make it fast, and how to make people buy it. That's it. And that's exactly what the Catalyst teaches you. A simple, step-by-step system designed to help you start a 60,000 per week digital product business in about 7 days. No coding, no experience required. Inside, we will actually show you how to find digital products that are actually working, how to create them using AI. Even if you have never done this before, we will even give you our own tools that we still use to find new product ideas. How to make your own website for completely free, even without needing to purchase a domain, and how to run ads so you can actually get sales. Also, you don't need a big budget. Even 150 rupees per day is enough to start. Most people already spend more than that daily on random stuff without even thinking. At least here, there is a chance that you will make more back. If you don't know me, my name is Shantanu Sharma. I am the founder of the Legendries. I have built multiple 7-figure brands using AI and helped thousands of young Indians start earning with it. That's why we made Catalyst. Not to confuse you, but to give you one clear path. There are already more than 5,000 people inside the Legendries private community, so you will not be doing this alone. You will find people just like you, students, job holders, complete beginners, all trying, learning, improving, and helping each other along the way. If you get started today, you will also get the AI Launchpad included for free. It builds your foundation even stronger so that everything in Catalyst clicks faster. So for today, we are giving both the AI Launchpad and the Catalyst together for the price of one. But this is only for today. AI space is getting crowded every single day. More people are jumping in daily. And the earlier you start, the better it is for you. One last thing. This is not magic. There is no such thing as get-rich-quick schemes. Those are a complete scam. You won't magically start making money after watching this. It is not even meant to be watched like content. We have built it so you can follow along step by step. We will show you the right way, but you will have to put in the work. It will take you a few days to go through everything. But don't treat it like content. Build with it. If you wanted to learn guitar, you would go to someone who's actually been playing for years, not someone who just says they can teach. Same thing here. If you want to make money online, learn from people who have actually done it. Click below to join the Catalyst, get inside, connect with others, and start building your digital product income today.